Hi guys. I am an old school nail tech, but I'm still not quite good with this new way of doing cuticles. So I still use my Blue Cross, as you will see in this video. It's how I've learned. It's the way that the cuticles look after it's come. It's my little jar there, and my little bowl. And that I don't care how many times it takes. And maybe also girls, I like to see the cheese. I want to see the cheese. I gotta cut the cheese. But I really do have to cut the cheese. You see this? There's a lot of cheese to be cut. Sorry, cuticles to be cut. And that's just how I learned. Maybe I would have to like take some classes, like maybe Russian manicure classes, but I really like to see what I'm cutting. As you can see, most of the cuticles are gone. But I tell you, it really, yeah, I mean, it's just gonna suck up all of that moisture because I needed it. And also, like I said, I'm just gonna cut it. I'm gonna scrape it as many times as I have to, because if I see, I need to see it coming up. And that's the thing about the Russian manicures, like you kind of just drill it, and maybe their eye can see it. You know, maybe the people that are trained in that way can see it, but I can't. So you see how I'm kind of pressing it down, like you see that? I also like to go in and buff very low. Okay, maybe there's a little bit of cuticle left, but that's what I like to do. And after I'm done, I dehydrate that. And what I'm trying to do is I'm using a very small form to squeeze my nail. So I'm using a really small form. I'm just going to put a little of my plasma gel there. And I'm only going to put it at the very top because I want to just like kind of like taper the top of my nail because I feel like my nail is really wide. And then zap it, of course. And then, of course, I'm going to do that part, bevel it off, and, yep, put some more primer there and add another layer. I'm going to add that layer, of course, as my slip layer, and then I'm going to add my little apex drops. I tried to do it this way to like kind of show you guys, but it didn't work out very well. But this is the end result.